Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to recover deleted photos and videos inside your Samsung devices. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on vital information and make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, there's two ways of doing this: inside your Google Photos app and inside your Gallery app that's in your Android device. So I'm going to show you the way to recover deleted photos and videos inside your Android Gallery by clicking on the Gallery app. And then on this page here, you want to click on the three horizontal bars on the bottom right hand corner of your page, like that, and then click on Recycle Bin. And this is where all your photos and videos are kept once you've deleted them. And make note, images and videos in this recycle bin will be permanently deleted after 30 days. So if you want to recover a photo and video, just simply click on it, click and hold. You want to recover that photo and one video, and then click on that, and then bottom left hand corner of your screen should say restore. So now these items are restored like that. Alright, I'll show you this method inside your Google Photos app. So click into Google Photos. I'm going to delete this image here. Click and hold. Delete. Then move to bin. And now to view that deleted photo, click on to library. Click on bin. And there it is there. So to restore photos in here, do the exact same thing. So click and hold these two photos. Click on restore. Restore to. And there we go. Those photos have been restored. Works with videos too. Alright, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you found this tutorial helpful.